Hello everyone, welcome to Hpmtech. Today's new video, OnePlus Pro and reviews. Germany team and 31 March 2022. The completion of a visitor Pro and cons completion in North America in the OnePlus 10 Pro is posting is $899, which in goes hard to hard with in the Google Pixel 6 Pro and side between two iPhone 13 models and give to Galaxy S 2020 models always OnePlus and competition for Chinese brand Huawei, Oppo, Xmi and Realme. The Google Pixel 6 Pro and future Google camera powerful update and directly from his stock Android 12 experience target Google has hard feed software for software update and new experience constant OnePlus and reset and state reputation Realme GT2 and Pro additional to 10 Pro in many ways to his some display, some chips and some batteries and 65 watt and charger and type camera setup difference to in law telephone and cameras sight waters save back and cold additional smartphone which every similar software. Realme GT2 Pro is additional to 10 Pro. Samsung Galaxy S22 Samsung Galaxy S 2020 future and more completed both in cable and camera side great and battery life target OnePlus. You are looking in systems Android for smart and great choice. The Oppo Find X5 Pro is similar expanded with type cameras and Snapdragon and one over the first which kindly feels and about 10 Pro reviewed and 9 Pro V and even suggested yourself some bags and manage fund 9 Pro at this discount allowed Hawaii Pro and additional Google service address. The Oppo Find X15 Pros similar type and start down at gain and once in stock first impression reviews and why not and that the Fund X5 Pro did feel and likes much. Upgrade our Fund at 13 Pro. Some packs in Fund 9 Pro did discount. I'll target the Huawei P15 Pro does include Google service. It is just an offer and camera side. You can also over 5 GB convert battery life test up and with complexion. The P15 does have beautiful hardware. The iPhone 13 Pro choosing camera video capacity is still a software side and exchange improvement with Apple assisted product if you coming for iPhone and to shift Android OnePlus does offer a way transfer data offer opening and transfer for icon cameras. Plus and reset once a 10x Ultra coming later in company regulation the budget Stiggity and fingers how much unfleet OnePlus opening resource viewers and OnePlus like we responded in the most recent Exercise OS fields and like OnePlus connection in both colors stuff and package improvement that in well oxide happy OnePlus check and feedback from community that what user would and see upgrade and colors oxide and at 13 comes and the late part of year the recent removed and OnePlus 10 Ultra we give in hoping brand and 2022 our use the OnePlus and feels like being disappointed with quality and future keeps some game library but most accepted the camera will good journal we and expert some upgrade in models expert and mood and the future cameras and systems. If you are ready in drop at 19 OnePlus Pro and make constant like but and get more publisher constant experience some easy also OnePlus. Looking by experience and make in love our use 10 Pro does in cable around camera with feature and photographic and capital in tech heavy and great content colors aggression poros and display guarantee RE control great color energy coins no normal IP rating USA organization. Rate comment don't advise people to buy that check and the means of free was useless and scams have used iVor Xme and Realme are going following that and purchase buying in Samsung Apple phone work and sons 5G value and Wi-Fi calling still don't and work using factory version and Canada in response to benefit and most in the OnePlus understanding because it's not known about it. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for a transmission update. Subscribe to my channel Hpmtech for latest nation new update. Thanks for watching.